Hi everyone and welcome to Science Explorers. Today, as part of Women's History Month, we're going to continue to talk about women in STEAM. Our subject today is Adriana Ocampo, a planetary geologist. Adriana C. Ocampo Urrea was born January 5, 1955 in Barranquilla, Colombia, and was raised in Argentina. As a child, her dream was to work as a space scientist. Her goals led her to join NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory Scout Troop, which later helped her get a volunteer position and then a summer job at the laboratory. When she enrolled in college, her initial major at California State University was aerospace engineering, but she ultimately switched to geology. Later, Ocampo would earn her master's in science degree in planetary geology from CSU in Northridge, and then go on to get her PhD at Vrije University in Amsterdam. Throughout her studies, Ocampo worked at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory as a science coordinator for planetary missions such as the Mars Observer and Galileo missions. Her observations of satellite imagery led her to recognize that a ring of sinkholes in Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula was related to the buried Chicxulub impact crater. The crater was caused by the asteroid that hit the Earth more than 65 million years ago. That asteroid is also the cause of the extinction of more than 50% of Earth's species at the time, including dinosaurs. Ocampo's research on the crater extends from both her master's and PhD theses to 6 expeditions she led. Her and her team's hard work has greatly contributed to the study of impact craters, as well as Chicxulub's influence on the evolution of life on Earth. Ocampo began to work for NASA in 2015 and now is a lead science manager for NASA's New Frontier program, which has her working on space missions to Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, and Pluto. Her research has left a major legacy in the space sciences, and for it she has been recognized. In 1992, Ocampo received the Woman of the Year in Science Award and then was named one of the most important women in science by Discover magazine in 2002. She even has an asteroid named after her. Today, in the spirit of Adriana Ocampo's life's work, you can make your very own observations about craters in the comfort of your own home. Be warned, this experiment can get a little bit messy, so you might want to take it outside or lay down a sheet for an easy pickup. All you need is a baking pan or another shallow container, flour, cocoa powder, a ruler, and balls of various sizes. For setup, fill the container with flour and lightly layer cocoa powder on top. The cocoa powder should cover all of the flour, but it shouldn't be too thick of a layer. Now you're ready to make craters. Drop the first ball from about 6 inches above the container. Use your ruler to measure it. When you drop it, what happens? How big is the impact? What color is the impact site? If the flour and cocoa moved at all, how far did they go? You might want to record your findings. And continue to make these observations and ask the questions that I just asked you as you drop the same ball from different heights or drop a different ball from the same height. The top layer might get